In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Paperform with Kajabi. This process will streamline the way your form submissions interact with Kajabi, helping you to automate your workflows and save you loads of time. Our journey starts with Zapier, a platform designed to connect different web apps and automate tasks. First, log into Zapier at zapier.com. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Create Zap. This button is your gateway to setting up an automated task, a little digital helper that will save you the effort of manually transferring data between Paperform and Kajabi. Next, let's set Paperform as the trigger app. In the trigger field, search for Paperform and select it. From there, you'll need to choose the trigger event, which in this case will be form submission. This means anytime a form is submitted in Paperform, Zapier will take notice and set the wheels in motion. Now you'll connect your Paperform account. Don't forget to select the specific form you want to use for this automation. After doing that, it's time to click Test Trigger. This step is crucial as it ensures Zapier recognizes sample data from your form, confirming that you've set everything up correctly up to this point. Moving on, Kajabi will be our action app. In the action field on Zapier, type in Kajabi and select it. Now you'll need to decide what you want Zapier to do with the data from Paperform. You have several options like creating a member, adding a tag to a member, or subscribing a user to an offer. Pick an action that fits your needs. To finalize the setup, you'll need to connect your Kajabi account. Zapier will prompt you for a couple of details here, your Kajabi API key and your site URL. Both of these can be found under the Kajabi settings, specifically in the API section. Once you've connected Kajabi, you're ready to move on. Our next task is to map your form fields. This step involves matching the fields from your Paperform, such as name and email, to the corresponding fields in Kajabi. This ensures that data is transferred accurately between the two platforms. Once you've matched up your fields, it's wise to test everything to ensure it functions perfectly. Click on Test Action to verify that the data flows smoothly into Kajabi from your form. And there you have it. You've just integrated Paperform with Kajabi using Zapier. Congratulate yourself on a job well done, as you've just set up a powerful automation that will simplify your workflows. Whether you're growing your email list or managing course enrollments on Kajabi, this integration will make your life a lot easier. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident to replicate and tweak this process to suit your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy automating.